Okay students, now just check the results here. If the 4-bit comparator results or truth table, this truth table satisfy itself or not. See here, I am switching on this circuit now. Okay, the circuit is switched on. You can see that the output side is glowing here. Okay, as I have told you earlier that this terminal of the output indicates that this is A greater than B, this is A equal to B, and this says that A is less than B. See here, at the input you can see that port A and port B inputs. Okay, both the ports inputs are 0 0. That means A is equal to B here. You can see that. Okay, as the input port A and input port B all are 0 here. So A is equal to B here. Clear? Okay, now let's just check for the next. You know that this is A0, A1, A2, A3 and this is B0, B1, B2, B3, right? Suppose I am giving A0 1, okay? And you can see A0 is 1 but the B port is 0 here, okay? So, what can you deduce from that? What can you conclude from that A is greater than B now? See the output. You can see the output indicates that A is greater than B here. Clear? Now come to the next input. Suppose I am giving input B high. Okay. So the input B ports are high but input A ports are at low. That means A is less than B, right? So the output indicates that A is less than B. This satisfies the result. Okay. Now this is A node and this is B node. I am switching on the A node and I am switching on the switch of B node B1 here. Okay. So first of all tell me what should be the result here if A node is 1 and B1 is 1. Tell me this will be equal, A equal to B or A is less than B or A is greater than B here. What should be our result here? Come on, tell me. Yes, B is greater than A here, right? That means A is less than B because I am taking here the B1 value. So, see the result. The output indicates that A is less than B here. Okay. Now, let's just say I am switching on the B4 here. Okay. Tell me, I am switching on the A1 here. So quickly tell me, what should be my output here? This side is A1 and this side is B4. So, what should my output indicates now? Yes. Output indicates that A is less than B. Clear now? How is A is less than B? Okay. If not, let's just take another example here. Okay. Suppose I am taking A3. Okay. I am taking A3 and B4. Okay. A3 and B4. So tell me, which value or which bit is of higher value? Yes, B4 will be of higher value. That means A is less than B here. So our output indicates that A is less than B here. Clear now? Likewise, we will do for the B part. Now let's just make it for A greater than B. So suppose for A greater than B, I am taking A1. Okay. Here I am providing the input to B node. Okay. So here my inputs are A1 and B node. So quickly tell me which one is greater? Yes, A1. A1 is greater than B node. So my result should be, yes, my result should be A is greater than B here. You can see. Okay. Okay, next example. Suppose I am switching on A3 and here I am switching on B2. I am switching on A3 and B2 here. Okay. So tell me, quickly tell me, what should be my result? Yes, my result is A is greater than B. So my first LED will light up here. Okay. Output LED, first LED will light up here. Okay. Now, next. suppose I have already given A3 here, okay, and now I am making A3 high, okay. So tell me, what should be the result now? A3 and B3. Which one will be the greater and which one will be the lesser here? Tell me. Here, both will be equal here, okay. So, see, our result shows that A is equal to B. Clear? I hope this 4-bit comparator is clear to you. Okay, you can see the light is glowing up. Tell me why it is glowing up. Even if I haven't provided any input here, but the light of the output is glowing up, because here A is equal to B. Both are 0 and 0. That means A is equal to B here. Clear?